We're catching up after the flu today. I'm finally starting to feel human again, but I do not want to go through this ever again. So today we are adjusting my Fly Lady morning routine just a bit to make sure I'm not spreading any leftover germs. We're going full on flu bug fighting ninja mode. And while still sticking to the Fly Lady basics. But first, coffee. So, after being sick for several days, let's just say my energy has not been ideal. And I really need it to catch up on work. I have things to do around the house I need to catch up on. I have work that needs to be caught up on. Plus, today I have a business call at 2:30 that I need to be prepared for. And let's just add on top of that, one of our vehicles broke down, so I am basically housebound in the sense of I can't get anywhere even if I wanted to. So I am focused on the house and work today, which can be, I guess, is kind of a blessing because there is no distractions, no errands to run. It is all focused here so I can just get things done. But on a day like today, I'm starting to feel better. I do need to have as much focus as possible, and that is where I'm really happy that I have had this sample from Magic Mind. I have this Magic Mind shot. Now, I have noticed that my stress levels have gone down while I've been taking this. Now, I have to say, before I was taking it, I got a new watch that's been giving me like different signals of like when my body seems to be responding to stress, and it was going off quite often the last few weeks, and I knew my stress levels were high. And what is neat about this is it lets you actually kind of track your mood, and most of the times it would go off. I was feeling a lot of pressure. I was feeling just a lot of stress that my body was feeling, and I know I've mentioned that, but I was excited to be able to try this because one of the things that it says that it helps with is stress and focus. And I was getting stressed because I couldn't stay focused on the things I needed to be working on when I was working on them. Or I would be so hyper-focused on one thing that other things would fall to the wayside. So inevitably, there's always something to be worried about. And taking this, I have found that when I am in the zone of working on a project, I am clear-headed, I'm getting it done, and I'm able to transition to the other projects without having to be like my brain all over the place. So I'm excited that they have given me the opportunity to sample this. I am still on my 15-day sample with them, and so far I have really loved this daytime solution. The other thing that I really love about them, and if you are interested in trying this along with me, I do have a link below that you can use, and you can get a discount from them. But also, they have a 100% money back guarantee. So if you find this does not work for you or it doesn't do what you're expecting it to do, they will refund your money. And that is one of the reasons that I was so willing to work with this company. And when they offered me this sample, I was eager to try it because it was something that I was feeling desperate in the sense of I was so stressed and overwhelmed. I needed something to help me out, that I wanted to personally try this. And the fact that if you try it and you love it, fantastic. But if you try it and you don't, they will give you your money back, made me even more invested because they are truly standing behind their product. So if you want to give Magic Mind a try, I have the link right here, but I will also link it down below in the comments and in the description. So go give it a try, check out their website. There's so much information about how this can really help. And I have to be honest, usually I'm kind of a skeptic about different kinds of supplements, things like this, but I have been really, really liking the focus that I have gotten from Magic Mind. So I'm gonna take this and then we are gonna plan our day out because we've got stuff that needs to get done. And well, let me take this. But But I am showered, I'm dressed, I'm ready for the day, but I have not gotten anything else on my morning routine done aside from Cammie has gotten her pills. She gets them with a treat, so she makes sure she gets them by barking at me all morning. So we've already done her pills. We are going to go through and do the morning routine, but how we are going to tweak the morning routine today is we are going like hardcore flu ninja, and we are wiping down surfaces. So the swish and swipe is not going to be focused to the bathroom. Our swish and swipe is going to be a upstairs flu fighting, surface attacking cleanup. That is because I do not want to have this ever again. We are gonna sanitize this place like no other, but we have to get it done in time for work. So it is about 9 o'clock right now. I wanna get my whole morning routine, so I am in the office at 10 o'clock. Because I got stuff to do for work. So I've got my work list done. We are going to use the Fly Lady app to do the morning routine. Cammie has had her pills. I need to take my vitamins. We are gonna start right here in the kitchen by getting, in my last video, one of you commented, one of your things that you love to do is get dishes and a load of laundry going first thing, because then your machines are working for you while you are getting other things done. And I loved the way that you phrased that. So I wanted to share that here. And I think the other part of your comment was, I don't know if this will help anybody, but I really do think your comments really do matter. They have helped me over the years of doing this. I have learned more about Fly Lady from your comments than I did from the website itself. You guys have explained more between the lines things to me than anything else. So if it's not helping me, which a lot of them have and they do, it will help someone else. So please leave those comments below if you see something that you're like, hey, try it this way, or I've done this for years and it's worked for me. I love reading them. I appreciate you sharing them, and I just appreciate you commenting. We're gonna put this in the laundry, but we're also gonna sanitize everything.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing.
When I'm sick, my humidifier is like my favorite tool, and I'm always really good about when we're done with it, I let the water out and let it air dry. But I noticed that there is, I had to look it up, but there is some pink mold in there. So I have not used it the last couple days, and I knew I had to clean it out. I didn't have the energy. So I read how to get this cleaned out is to do a vinegar soak. So we are going to soak this thing. So what I read is that pink mold is not actually mold, but it is bacteria. So I am going to, and the way to kill it is to use vinegar and then to use soap and water. So we're gonna soak it. I'm hoping it fits. Yeah, it'll work. So we're gonna soak it in vinegar and water. Oh, I'm getting winded. We're gonna soak it in vinegar and water, and I'm gonna do it for an hour because I've been looking into other mold things, and it can take about an hour for vinegar to kill the mold or bacteria. So it's gonna soak. I do not want this. If I'm unable to get rid of it, I will. I bet that's loud. If I'm unable to get rid of the pink mold, I am more on the side of I will probably get a new humidifier as opposed to continuing to use this one. And I do love this one, except it was super bright. So my husband knows I sleep in the dark, so he taped it for me. All right. So far, let's check our list. Oh, cough drops. All right, I have started the laundry. We'll make the bed late. We're doing the bed sheets because obviously we've been sleeping in there, and I want them to be clean. So we're doing the bed sheets right now. Meal prep for lunch and dinner. I have a plan for dinner, and I'm gonna do it all at dinner time, and lunch is going to be leftover. So done. Swish and swipe, ninja style for flu bug, done. Now we're just gonna do a 5-minute room rescue and a quick declutter, and it is going to put me right at my start work time at 10 o'clock. The last thing that I need to do is make myself breakfast because I almost forgot that that is going to help me sustain energy throughout the day as well. So I think we are going to have, I think we're gonna do some scrambled eggs and some gyro meat because it's delicious.